The numbers aren't matching the projections from Earth. We're showing a 7% deficit in Group B materials.
Control, this is Engineering Specialist Morales. Airlock seal integrity confirmed. Cycling complete. All green.
Rotation engaging, power steady at 90%.
Confirmed, Chief. Laser array holding trajectory. Thermal flux nominal.
We're seeing minor seismic activity on level 4. Nothing critical yet, but I'll advise if it escalates.
Seismic confirms stable approach to the cavity zone. Proceed with authorization sequence. Shift metrics are good, Supervisor.
Understood, Chief. We'll monitor the progression.
Control, this is Engineering Specialist Sharma. We have a confirmed cavity at 14 meters. Density readings are spiking, requesting immediate halt.
Chief, the data is clear. The resonant frequency is spiking.
No, there.
We have to suspend the drilling
We are
operation.
immediately.
All teams, this is Starling. Final authorization granted for subsurface entry.
Confirmed. Liaison. Thermal drill engaging.
2 meters.
1 meter. Contact imminent.
Breakthrough confirmed. Structural integrity is green.
Are you reading that right, Specialist?
40 meters, Captain. It's stable. The thermal signature is holding steady at +8 degrees Celsius. It's localized.
Rerunning the analysis now. The data confirms it's non-geological.
The structural analysis confirms the delay. We are looking at 8 minutes.
8 minutes until Earth responds. We can't wait that long.
Wait, the projected total is 36 minutes.
The scanner module is floating free. Where do you want the primary clamp?
Bring it to portside docking clamp 3. I'll secure the connection.
I can't believe it. It's beautiful.
The mapping confirms it. These patterns are too structured for natural formation.
Agreed. The
data confirms organized silicon structures.
It's life, Chief.
Your data is inconclusive. We follow protocol or we jeopardize the entire...
Wait, the lattice structure. It's identical. Computer, log this. The hexagonal arrays indicate a connected biological network spanning the asteroid interior.
Recording activated. The 47-second interval is consistent. This confirms the biological origin.
Radio check. How do you read, B?
Loud and clear, Chief. Pressure holding steady.
Status report. We are currently 50 meters from the primary drill assembly. Life support holding steady at 0.9 atmospheres.
Inspection at 14 meters reveals highly unusual wall smoothness.
Directive states extreme caution with containment protocols, while maintaining the extraction schedule.
They want the samples no matter the risk.
Generators online. Field integrity holding steady.
Acknowledged. Transferring the sample now.
We must prioritize careful exploration and safety.
We need extensive documentation before proceeding.
Agreed, but we must also adhere to the timeline.
Command, extend sample arm velocity 0.05.
Acknowledged, Chief. Structural integrity holding at 80%.
Copy that. Approaching contact in 3.
Warning, energy spike detected.
Look at the light. It's reacting.
Isolation protocols fully engaged. Diagnostic confirms positive seal integrity. Environment stabilized. Systems check complete.
Silicon-oxygen chains forming the backbone. The phosphorus nodes are active. It's utilizing the carbon chains for information storage. This changes everything.
This molecular structure shows clear signs of information storage analogous to DNA. The implications are unavoidable.
So it's not just a rock.
We shouldn't proceed without understanding the contamination risks.
The projections indicate a 20% increase in profits.
Diagnostic confirms 0.8 millimeter propagation in the cavity wall. Recommend immediate cessation of collection in this corridor. Safety margins are narrowing.
The organism is emitting a consistent electromagnetic pulse every 23 seconds.
The morphology is undeniable. It's biological.
We can't afford delays for sentimental classification. It's clearly a construct.
Enough, both of you.
We need an answer now.
Directive 9312 initiated. All molecular data is subject to immediate patent filing. Ensure strict adherence to licensing agreements.
Imaging sequence 7 initiated. The structural integrity of the xenomorphic enzymes appears stable under high-frequency oscillation. Data capture is nominal.
Wait, the dormant structures are activating. The proximity network confirms it. It's spreading to the older samples.
The drill path triggered a network effect. The activation radius is expanding rapidly. We're looking at a systemic first contact.
The energy readings are off the charts. We have to halt the drilling now.
Command won't like that. We are already behind schedule.
Actually, the molecular structure match is confirmed. The network hypothesis holds. But if the dormant samples are activating across the system...
Authorization granted for immediate extraction. Limit disturbance.
Roger that, Chief. Winch engaged. Tension stabilizing. Core temp rising.
We have to prioritize the confirmed findings. The silicon physiological update.
We must include the force majeure clause, Chief. This protects the corporation from liability.
Vector gamma sensor installation successful. Data stream active. Drill array remains in standby mode.
The electromagnetic signature confirms the crystalline activation. Look at the energy concentration here.
Inventory.
The fragmentation is accelerating faster than projected. We've compromised nearly 40% of the network structure.
This is a direct violation of the Unified Messaging Protocol. What are you transmitting?
It's privileged corporate data, Chief. Step aside.
Unauthorized transmission detected. It's canceled.
We must maintain a unified approach. This fragmentation is unacceptable.
My obligations are strictly defined in the Charter.
The electromagnetic pulses have achieved perfect synchronization at the 47-second mark. The network intelligence hypothesis is strengthening.
Earthcom delay acknowledged, 36 minutes. Legal team engaged. Direct immediate sample security and suspend all operations. Reference First Contact Protocol 5.
Electromagnetic containment holding steady at 1.2 Tesla.
Confirmed. The biomass readings are coming in clear. Long-term monitoring is a go.
The installation plan is showing green for the exterior array. We should initiate the bore sequence now.
Confirmed, Doctor. All systems check out.
Chief to Lima, confirm magnetic seal on node 4.
Solid contact, Chief. Activating array now.
Data streams are nominal. The EM activity aligns perfectly with the cross-section visualization. Stability holds at 99%.
This is good for us now.
With the mining equipment offline, we can transition the drill site to a dedicated monitoring station immediately.
This changes everything. Not just for us, but for the very definition of life itself. The mining impact report is finalized, Chief.
Acknowledged. The full data package.
Transmission confirmed. We have uplink lock.
Good work, Lieutenant. The clock is running. Let's hope they're ready. Julie. The sensor data is steady, but the expansion plan requires more observation time.
Reviewing the 12-hour timeline confirms the pattern. The electromagnetic pulses intensify precisely with the seismic shifts.
Transmission authorized. Participating institutions, Caltech, ESA, University of
Immobilized
Tokyo.
deep space array faster than we thought.
Sharing this data is crucial for scientific progress.
Operational security is paramount. The resource valuation makes this proprietary.
The cavity intensity has increased by 15% since drilling ceased. This response is unexpected.
The samples are entering a reproductive phase. Metabolic rates are critical. We have to increase the field strength now. They're destabilizing.
The metabolic spike is critical. We have to isolate the source now.
Chief, the liaison station is still empty.
I see that, but the organism activity is priority. Find her location.
What is the meaning of this unauthorized uplink?
I am sending the data back to HQ. It's above your clearance.
Your clearance doesn't supersede station security. Terminate the connection.
This unauthorized transmission jeopardizes the entire mission. Nonsense!
Cats, we must secure the IP immediately. It's about shareholder value.
The transition confirms it. They aren't reacting, they are deciding. This changes everything we knew about the Xylos Collective. Priority alert. Bioluminescent readings at 340%. Structural integrity compromised. Level 1 diagnostic required immediately.
Get to your station, now! Reroute auxiliary power to structural supports.
We are at 400% and climbing.
The synchronization is incredible. Metabolic activity mirrors the cavity intensity increase exactly. A 99.7% correlation coefficient confirms network communication.
Pressure reads green. Seal engaged. This violates every protocol, Commander. It's too volatile.
We proceed. Cycle the lock.
Command, hey, I'm seeing evidence of rapid crystallity heddle.
We have active biological signatures inside the cavity, coordinated movement, and intense rhythmic light.
The heat signature...
Attention, Earth Command. The situation has exceeded our authority. The organism is active and possibly reproducing. We require immediate guidance. Priority send.
Critical overload. Critical overload.
Field integrity failing. Rerouting power to auxiliary emitters immediately.
The consensus from Earth is clear. Non-interference protocols are active. We are directed to prioritize organisms. By optimizing the monitoring network, we ensure full perimeter coverage.
And the containment reinforcement schedule.
Scientific observation mode established. Research is proceeding ethically within protection framework.
Containment and structural systems are stable, Chief. Activity levels are high, but safety margins are maintained.
Acknowledged, Specialist. Station secure.
60 degrees on the mark. The collective intelligence demonstrated here exceeds all previous models. We need to document this immediately.
Reviewing the 24-hour cycle. Organism activity has stabilized at an elevated plateau. Containment remains
The non-invasive monitors are synced. We're ready for deployment.
Perfect. This changes everything for the reproductive cycle data. Let's move.
Okay, position the next sensor array at mark.
Angled copy that. Adjust degrees starboard.
Actually, look at the growth rate on the secondary branches. It's exponential.
The energy signature confirms it. They're not dividing, they're expanding them.
Look at the synchronization visualization. The growth rate matches perfectly, coordinated by these electromagnetic pulses.
Ching. The complexity is unprecedented. We are observing the first confirmed instance of a silicon-based organism.
The scientific data here clearly outweighs the
I agree. Immediate commercial value. We appreciate the supportive decision.
The time-lapse confirms the reproductive cycle is stable.
All data organized and protocols attached. The transmission is green!
This changes everything.
We did it. The documentation is secure.
fully uploaded. Earth receipt pending.
The macro visualization confirms steady, sustainable growth. The organism has developed intricate branching structures.
The growth rate is stable, confirming the long-term potential for study.
The sensor data supports a permanent transition.
As the data confirms, the organism maintains a consistent 0.8% daily mass increase.
With a 36-minute delay, every second was critical.
Confirm synchronization protocols with all 8 institutions. We are live.
Diagnostic confirms. Cavity stability is maintained. Fracture propagation has ceased.
4.7 centimeters on the primary branch. The growth rate is increasing exponentially.
Confirmed. The EM field is stable, but we're seeing spikes in substrate consumption.
Log update. Priority shift confirmed. The scientific and ethical considerations dominate now. Our initial perspective was simply too narrow.
The scanner confirms it. 94.7% efficiency. Silicon-based metabolism is far superior to...
The advanced analytical suite requires significant prep time. 8 months is highly ambitious.
True, but the consortium will...
The data coming in is absolutely fascinating, and we have to proceed.
I understand the enthusiasm, but the power fluctuation...
Life support capacity is currently at 120% utilization. The grid can handle the additional 3 births.
As the time-lapse compresses 6 hours into seconds, the organisms coordinate with unnerving precision.
Acknowledge revision of probe mission directive status. Accepted pending operational review.
The sequence was clear. Hexagonal, then triangular. But the sudden shift to a square breaks the progression.
Priority alert. Condition red. All hands assemble.
Frequency spike confirmed. Doubling sequence initiated.
We have a proximity breach.
The metabolic rate is spiking 47% above baseline.
And the synchronization. Look at the EM pulse rhythm.
We're seeing localized frequency doubling.
The data is undeniable. A perfect 23.5-second synchronization across the network, confirming the
Chest plate secure. Vitals steady.
Chief, this is reckless. We don't know the atmospheric composition.
Acknowledge, Doctor. Seal it. Radio is heavily degraded. We have confirmed biological markers at the drill site. The energy signature is spiking.
I'm recording a macro view now. The life cycle acceleration is unprecedented. It's adapting too fast. Priority update. Organism activity spike and accelerated growth confirmed. This is an unknown biological event exceeding crew expertise. Requesting urgent guidance from Earth.
Warning, critical energy levels detected. Capacity at 94%.
I see it. Rerouting auxiliary power. We are losing the field.
We cannot sacrifice the specimen. The ethical mandate is clear.
Ethics won't matter if the module is breached. Look at the alerts!
Enough. We implement Phase 2 containment now.
Emergency. Evacuate Sector 4. Protection protocols failing. Life support at 20%.
We have a confirmed correlation. The organisms are maximizing radiation absorption. The growth models are off the charts. They sense the environment.
The spike is an adaptive response to the cosmic rays. It's preparing for energy harvest. So the growth isn't dangerous. No.
The reinforced containment field is now active. This engineering solution provides the necessary 180% capacity.
Peak frequency achieved. We have full energy conversion.
It's working. The growth rate is unprecedented.
The sample shows an unprecedented 8.3% mass increase in just 6 hours. A 10-fold acceleration.
Look at the cavity. The glow is decreasing rapidly now.
Sensor data confirms. The adaptive behavior has returned to equilibrium.
Look at that. Full confirmation from the Exobiology Consortium.
The data matches the hypothesis perfectly.
The branching structures have stabilized precisely at 7.2 centimeters. Growth baseline is enhanced but steady.
Confirmed. The structural integrity held thanks to your quick thinking, Jay.
We just followed the protocol, Commander. The cavity readings are normalizing.
Excellent work, both of you.
Reroute auxiliary power to the containment field. Stabilize the EM rhythm now.
Levels are nominal, Chief. Mission parameters are confirmed.
The data confirms the adaptive response.
The correlation with the cosmic ray data is definitive. We are ready to transmit.
Transmission successful. Data upload complete.
Well done, Commander.
Incredible results.
We've confirmed adaptive metabolism and direct cosmic ray energy harvest. It fundamentally expands our understanding.
The 30-day marker confirms it. a 28% mass increase, and a stable reproductive pattern. The mission profile is green for advancement. Probe launch successful. Advanced analytical payload functional.
8 months to transit. We finally did it.
Phase 1 expansion requires integrating the new habitat modules before the next probe arrival. We must ensure the life support capacity meets the revised personnel estimates.
The transition from square to geometragon confirms the thesis of progression. We must emphasize the unique metabolic pathway of the silicon-based life.
The journal requires a concise abstract.
We are looking at a level of evolutionary optimization previously thought impossible. The waste analysis.
Look at this. They want clarification on the suspension timeline.
This entire mission is about research, not their quarterly revenue. The clause is explicit.
Tell that to the legal department.
Dathel.
We have a fiduciary obligation
We
to
know the shareholders and to the shareholders, Chief.
We must adhere to the inquiry protocols.
We are losing. This legal hold is destroying the sample viability window. We needed to be in containment an hour ago.
Funding flagged the transfer manifest. We can't move anything until compliance signs off, you know that.
Observing the inherent stability of the pattern provides clarity. In this bay, the noise of commercial application.
Mining operations suspended indefinitely. First contact ethical obligations supersede commercial contract. We are asserting protective authority.
The data is crucial. We accepted the risks of isolation.
Risks, yes. But this extension jeopardizes my career back home.
How long can we maintain this, Zara?
We've achieved cycle completion. The patterns are identical to the historical sequence.
The EM pulse pattern changed to 23.5 seconds.
We have no environmental trigger. Check the organism behavior data.
Look at the brightness comparison. The acceleration is without external cause.
It's demonstrating autonomous control over its metabolic state.
The synchronization is perfect. A 23.5-second pulse with no external trigger. The network is demonstrating...
It's not environmental. The spike correlates precisely with the internal biological cycle.
But the metabolic shift is unprecedented.
We're looking at autonomous intelligence.
Direct cavity observation is necessary.
Suit sealed. All systems green.
Do not interfere with the organism unless absolutely necessary.
Approaching the perimeter now. The organism appears stable, but the energy output is exceeding previous parameters.
Control, are you seeing this? The patterns are stabilizing into a complex fractal arrangement. It appears to be some form of communication.
Command, we are observing autonomous activity and complex geometric organism.
The precision is stunning. The network collective is coordinating the transformation across all samples simultaneously. The containment field remains stable.
The patterns are shifting faster now.
We have prime number confirmation on the outer helix. This changes everything.
The patterns confirm it. This organism isn't just alive, it's intelligent. A mathematical Rosetta Stone.
The patterns aren't random, Commander. The electromagnetic pulses show clear mathematical intent.
Intent, Doctor.
The Exobiology Consortium confirms the mathematical patterns. It is collective intelligence.
Then we proceed with the communication attempt protocols immediately.
We're attempting to establish a universal mathematical language using simple arithmetic sequences. And
If we transmit, we risk everything. The protocols advise observation.
Observation is not enough.
The proposed protocol ensures complete reversibility, adhering strictly to the non-invasive stipulations. All ethical considerations have...
The prime sequence is ready for transmission. We are stable at the organism's pulse frequency.
Diagnostics complete. The containment field is integrating now.
I never thought I'd live to see the day. It's beautiful.
To be here now, at the precipice of everything we know.
Authorization granted. Protocol 7 initiated.
Acknowledged, Commander. The consensus is verified.
Final diagnostics complete. We are green across the board.
Acknowledged. Proceed with the transmission sequence.
The pattern is accelerating. Look at the delta values here.
It's forming a prime sequence. It wants a response.
All right, team, this is the final window. Reviewing abort procedures, section Gamma. Acknowledge.
Confirmed.
Monitoring systems are green across the board. The countdown is live.
prime sequence relays stable.
Confirmed, Doctor. T-minus 30 seconds to primary pulse.
"12 minutes and the patterns are steady. How long do we wait?"
Our timeframe expectations are irrelevant to the entity, Doctor. We maintain the protocol. Chillin. Observation conforms this 47-second pulse rhythm in stable hexagonal geometry.
47 minutes is insufficient data, Chief.
The transmission window requires a longer cycle. Agreed. We will initiate a 20
log entry. What began as a commercial endeavor has rapidly evolved. If this communication attempt is successful, we are witnessing history.
The pulse frequency just shifted. It's locked into the 46.8 second interval.
46.8.
The 0.4% frequency increase confirms it. This is a deliberate response signal. Synchronization achieved.
It's a deliberate response. The rhythm shift is too precise.
The data is compelling. Alert Earth and prioritize deep scan analysis immediately.
Brand misreiseblendig. Astolse voortloveren is 6.8 to try in 8 seconds.
Reroute the main visualization. Look at the synchronization.
The pulses are confirming a new rhythm, Director. They are communicating. A breakthrough. The geometric shift confirms division by 2, and the organism is acknowledging the prime number.
It's responding. The division algorithm matches the prime sequence.
They understand. It's confirmation.
We are witnessing first contact through mathematics.
Interpretation plausible. Consensus recognized intelligence.
Acknowledged, Commander. Initiating historic dialogue sequence now.
The organism recognized the primes. Now we escalate the complexity with the Fibonacci sequence.
Programming the 5th iteration.
There it is. The 46.8 second rhythm is stable.
Phase 2 initiated. The growth factor is accelerating exponentially.
The organism maintains the triangle pattern. Based on the previous cycle, we anticipate a 3-hour delay.
The data supports that time frame. We continue monitoring.
We are witnessing first contact, John.
This isn't just data.
I know, Commander. The implications are staggering.
Look at that. The shift is complete. 46.6 seconds. The Fibonacci transmission worked. It's responding mathematically.
The division transforms the structure exactly as the Fibonacci sequence predicted.
And the arithmetic progression confirms the octagonal yield.
It's definitive.
We did it! Look at the precision. It's beautiful.
A civilization thriving in the void.
This is the moment. The sequence completed its relay at 0400 hours.
It worked. We actually did it. The first dialogue.
The xenobiologist called it scientific fulfillment. The data streams confirmed an intelligence far beyond.
We are testing the 3rd sequence, focusing on prime factorization to gauge abstract comprehension. The octagon.
Commander, the global response is overwhelming.
Acknowledged. Maintain the link and stabilize the mathematical dialogue.
The welfare indicators are stable, but we must proceed with caution. Agreed. The intelligence recognition parameters are locked.
Authorization for sequence 3 confirmed. Begin square number progression analysis.
Acknowledged. Data stream stable. Assessment proceeding.
1, 4, 9, 16, 25.
Can a silicon network truly grasp abstract algebra, or is it just mimicking comprehension?
The framework suggests parallel processing.
Actually,
I still can't believe we're seeing this.
it changes everything we thought we knew.
Absolutely.
Imagine the impact.
A 0.6 second reduction
Confirmed.
of a dialogue pattern.
As the pulse frequency modulates, the samples begin their transformation. The shift from octagon to this new configuration.
Oh, incredible.
The pattern stabilized precisely at 16 vertices. It understands exponentiation.
Look at the vertex pattern. It's demonstrating square number comprehension.
And now exponentiation. The complexity is increasing exponentially.
The dialogue record is complete. We have confirmation of systematic exchange with the intelligence.
Transmission complete.
If we integrate the prime sequence here, it stabilizes the waveform.
Yes, that aligns with the timeline models. We can initiate the first burst next week.
Agreed.
From extraction to enlightenment, the mission parameters have fundamentally shifted.
Indeed. Our previous commercial models simply do not apply to this.
The coordination intelligence of the network is undeniable. The mathematical dialogue was successful.
Observe the harmonic resonance. The entity recognizes the protective parameters.
Confirmed. We proceed with the elevated care protocols immediately.
General, 7 months until the delegation arrives. We need to finalize the transformation protocols.
The expansion plans are aggressive but achievable.
The fourth geometric progression aligns with the pattern recognition data.
Confirmed. Initiate systematic assessment protocol immediately.
Look at the stability of the patterns. The partnership is established.
A truly historic moment, Commander.
The organism successfully recognized the 16-vertex pattern at the 46-second mark.
Arrival revised to 6.5 months. The delegation is arriving sooner.
6 months.
We have to compress the entire timeline.
Begin systems review immediately.
The compressed timeline is non-negotiable. Critical path analysis confirms we have 90 days until modular installation must commence.
The growth is sustained at 12.8 centimeters, exactly 60% mass increase.
And the 16-vertex pattern is whole.
This framework allows for unprecedented collaboration with the entity.
Collaboration is one thing, but we need clear delegation profiles.
The fourth sequence is transmitting. Multiplicative pattern established at 46 Hertz.
Acknowledged, Doctor. The samples are receiving the progression.
These patterns suggest a unified consciousness, not a segmented one.
If the network is sentient, isolating an individual intelligence might be impossible.
Look, the frequency stabilized at 45.5.
It's communicating autonomously. We didn't initiate this.
The pulse interval has reduced by exactly half a second, establishing a new 45.5-second rhythm. It's shifting from 7 vertices.
Look at the progression. The cube numbers are undeniable.
We have bidirectional dialogue. They are treating us as equals. It's no longer just responding. It initiated the sequence.
The paradigm has shifted. We are looking at partners, not subjects.
The synchronization patterns confirm their agency. This is no longer observation. It is the dawn of a partnership.
We are witnessing the paradigm moment. Bidirectional dialogue with autonomous extraterrestrial.
By mirroring their sequence with the fourth powers, we establish a mathematical common ground. This acknowledgement framework confirms they are engaging reciprocally.
This expansion plan includes 3 new habitat modules, effectively doubling our life support capacity.
Transmission confirmed, Doctor. The partnership framework is validated.
Earth consensus received, Ensign. The organism rights framework is officially recognized.
The shift to 45.33 seconds confirmed. Bidirectional communication is now stable.
Transformation to 81 vertices is complete. Fouta firm.
The temporal patterns are stabilizing faster than anticipated. This confirms the semantic bridge is working.
I arrived focused purely on the bottom line. But this partnership, these beings, they have fundamentally transformed my...
The alignment looks good from here. We are clear to proceed with the depressurization sequence.
Acknowledged. Power cycling to the outer iris.
Moving beyond simple counting, we utilize the elegance of the Pythagorean theorem.
This confirms the synchronization is stable at 98.4%. The rhythm is established.
Remarkable.
This transmission contains the complete documentation of the first sustained intelligent extraterrestrial partnership. Utilization.
The 81 vertex samples are responding positively to the expanded EM field.
Note the consistency of the geometric visualization at this vector.
The correlation with the triples is precise, confirming the hypothesis.
Who would have thought? Back at Discovery.
That we would reach this point. The transformation is complete.
Transmission stable. The organism rights documentation is clear.
Confirmed. Send the validation signal.
To the future. Who would have thought that isolation would lead to something this incredible?
It's amazing, isn't it? The possibilities are endless now.
The pulse frequency is stabilized by 30 seconds. They are acknowledging the Pythagorean transmission.
The lattice structure is responding perfectly to the sequence.
Yes, the spatial comprehension is undeniable now.
As hypothesized, the algebraic structures confirm the dialogue framework.
All domains are covered. The validation signal...
Module alignment is green. Proceed with final descent.
Roger that. Engaging magnetic locks now.
The structural integration is proceeding faster than projected.
The fractal energy pattern suggests the partnership is
To ensure a successful extended partnership, the dialogue roadmap must transition seamlessly from pure mathematics to applied semantics.
They validated the temporal synchronization metrics.
This means full endorsement of the partnership evolution. Well done, team.
The bioscanner is detecting a complex rhythmic dialogue. The Fibonacci input triggered a mutual intellectual...
The K-matrix projections confirm the stability of the temporal loop.
This partnership trajectory...
Look at the synchronization. The 50-plus milestone is a success.
Optimal health indicators across the board, Doctor.
This comprehensive report documents humanity's first sustained partnership with an intelligent extraterrestrial species.
We came here focused only on the mission, but the isolation it changed you of true partnership.
It changed our commercial goals.
The integration timeline for the delegation is critical. Research coordination is green, but the conduit is unstable.
We need sign-off on the stewardship protocols before they land.
The extended dialogue roadmap is clear. We begin with physical and chemical concepts, moving systematically toward...
The ecosystem check procedures are successful. All readings are optimal, confirming the sophisticated partnership rhythm is thriving. The energy signature is stabilizing. The partnership is truly established.
A historic moment for both species.
Acknowledging this 3-month partnership anniversary. The 67 mathematical and temporal exchanges confirm we have sustained...
The International Partnership Facility is complete. The intelligent cavity is stable. We are ready for the delegation.
The 120% mass increase is confirmed. These new formations support the reproductive preparation hypothesis.
The delegation is coming early, 3.5 months out.
4 senior scientists and enhanced gear. This changes everything. It feels strange knowing the international teams arrive so soon.
It does. But we should be proud of the foundation we laid during this autonomous phase.
They understood the force concepts.
Domain expansion confirmed. Look at the data flow.
This framework ensures the permanence of our collaboration. A true historic achievement.
The legacy is secured, Chief.
This is the final log. We have moved from discovery to true partnership. The privilege of first contact.